In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable auto screenshots in TimeDoctor. This handy feature is perfect for tracking work progress and ensuring everything is on track with your team's productivity. We'll go through the process step by step, making sure that you can follow along easily. Let's get started by opening your web browser. It doesn't matter which browser you prefer, as long as you have internet access. Once you have your browser up and running, you need to head to your favorite search engine. Type in TimeDoctor into the search bar. What you're looking for is the official website, so once you see the link that has the URL timedoctor.com, give it a click to head straight to their homepage. Once there, the next thing you'll need to do is log into your account. You'll typically find the login option at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials, that's your email and password, to gain access. If you're not already signed up, you'll need to create an account, though today we're focusing on the login process for existing users. After logging in, direct your attention to the navigation panel. What you're looking for is the Settings menu, which will lead you to a variety of options. Click on Settings, and then select Users from the drop-down menu. This section is particularly important because it controls the settings for each user on your TimeDoctor account. In the Users area, you should see a list of names, likely including your own if you're part of the team. You'll notice a column next to these names that corresponds to screenshots. It may simply say Screenshots, followed by a number of minutes, which indicates how frequently screenshots are taken during a work session. By default, it might be set to a certain time interval, such as 5 or 10 minutes. Now, if you see that the screenshot feature is turned off, it will say Off in the column. You'll need to change that to enable it. There should be a small drop-down menu directly beside where it says Off. Click on this drop-down, and you should see several time interval options. Select the interval that best fits your case. For example, screenshots taken every 5 minutes or 10 minutes depending on your needs and the type of work being monitored. And there you have it. You've just enabled auto screenshots in TimeDoctor. Having this feature on will help keep productivity high and provide an easy way to capture work progress. It's that simple. And with TimeDoctor, you can ensure your team stays on track with their tasks. If you have any questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to TimeDoctor's support for guidance. Thanks for watching, and happy tracking.